The following video is for the Let's Talk Science binary beads activity. In order to do this activity, you will need the binary bead kit, decoder key, translation sheet, and a writing utensil.
Choose your word or phrase and print it on the left side of the translation sheet. Using the binary decoder key, translate each letter into binary. A black square is a 1 and a white square is a 0. Once the translation sheet is complete, line up the colored beads with their corresponding digit. Start with the last letter first and work your way up.
Secure one end of the string. Prepare 2 white spacer beads for the first letter. Place 1 white spacer bead on the string first, followed by the color beads working right to left. Once you have placed all the colored beads, add another white spacer.
Once you have completed a letter, check it off on the translation sheet. Continue adding beads for each letter of your word, working your way up the translation sheet. Each letter is separated by 1 white spacer bead. At the end, complete your word with 1 final white bead. Finally, tie the other end of the string so the beads do not fall off.